Hello and welcome back to my channel. Let's create the G-codes for this kind of part. Click on application, manufacturing, geometry view, expand the MCS, zoom must be upward, you can deal with X and Y axis and hit OK. Click on the workpiece, define the workpiece. This is my workpiece. Click on the blank and I want to click on the bounding block. See, it is of X size. Okay. Once you're done with this, then we have the tools, we have the NML. Delete this tool, go for another tool of turn NML. Okay, and go for turn NML. Sorry, 2 1 or 0.5, because it depends on the object that I just made it. Or 0.3 inches, it's in inches, right? So I think it's better for me. You can drag a holder, milling, okay, medium compensation, and I will go for the tool. I'll define it 5, and flute length, this must be 4, this must be 3, increase the flutes 3 and hit OK. So I just define the cutting parameter. Now I'll go for create operation, contour mill and cavity mill, define the tool, workpiece, and the mill finish. Okay. I will define this top surface. Okay. And now let's try out to generate the program. Go for the non-cutting moves and transfer rapid, drag previous plane, okay, and again generate it. See, verify it. Okay, 3D dynamic and play it. As you can see over here, we have been given the maximum depth per cut. This must be constant, and 0.1, and again generate it. See, or 0.05. okay, now see, verify it. We just finished the bottom, and for the Z level profile. Okay, shift, okay, and now let me just go for this, and 0.02 and generate the depth per cut. I just minimize it and now see what happens. Let me just play it for now to look at in 2D dynamic. See? It gets finished and I will hit OK. Hit OK. So it was all about today cavity mill and Z-level profile. So thanks for watching.